Kung hinihintay mong tumigil ang bagyo, baka hindi ka umusad. Para sa mabuang buhay, tayo na po at magkape pandasal. The storms in our lives, the exams, the family drama, the mental health slumps always feel loudest right when you're trying to move forward. The second you focus on the waves, you start to sink. The trick isn't for the storm to stop. The trick is to keep your eyes on your why. Yung dahilan kung bakit ka nagtatrabaho o nag-aaral o nagsusumikap. When you focus on your mission, you'll find you're way more buoyant than you thought. If you feel like you're drowning today, check where your eyes are. Are you staring at the problem or are you looking toward the goal? Don't let the chaos dictate your pace. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoong Hesus, nawa maituon namin ang aming mga mata sa iyo, lalong-lalo na sa gitna ng mga bagyong dumarating sa aming buhay. Amen.